Like for reconciliation batch, you can just say that OK. For reconciliation batch, it's a batch process. Which will we have to send? The claim information. Once. Suppose you have to create the checks in the Claimcenter, right? So suppose the check is created in CC for a claim, OK. In CC. CC means Claimcenter for a claim. OK, so once the check is created, it has to be sent to the bank. OK, so that has to be paid to the claimant, right? So Claimcenter is integrated with the bank. OK, so CC is integrated with bank and bank will send this to Claimant. OK. Now once. So Claimcenter will not send it to Billing Center and Billing Center will be sending it to Claimant. No. Billing Center works with the invoices, premium amounts. It will not work with the claim amount. OK, Billing Center is just for. So when you say Claimcenter is sending it to bank, it would be an integration with the whatever bank they are working with. Yes, yes, yes. Whatever claims, it would be going to the claimant, right? It would go through the Claimcenter. It won't go through the Billing Center. OK, Claim Billing Center is just for the invoices, which customer has to pay to the insurance company. Means as an insured, as I have to pay to the insurance company for managing all those stuff. Billing Center is used, but for these purposes, claims purposes, right? Whatever checks are created for the claim purposes, those are created in Claimcenter. Not in Billing Center, and then the bank, has to be integrated and it will send the details to bank and suppose the bank has cleared that. To the claimant, right? Claimant has received the payment. OK, so this information is not yet with the Claimcenter. OK, so there is a batch, which claim reconciliation batch. So what it will tell me? It will run on periodically, on daily basis. Runs on daily basis. Every night. Every night this batch will run and it will go through all the claims OK in the Claimcenter, which are in draft state OK. Or which are incompleted or which are in draft. Yeah, we can put iterate. Through all. Claims which are in some status we need to keep. We can name it as draft. Or completed. OK, we will make sorry, draft. Draft. Draft is fine. OK, and then? It will run iterate through all the claims. Or else we can do other way round as well. OK, it will run. First step is, it will pick a file from a shared directory. OK, so when we click on this batch, right, when the batch will be run? Periodically. So the first step the batch will do is it will pick a file. There is a file which is placed in some shared repository. OK, it will pick that file and read that file. OK, so that file would contain the details of each, so that file would contain multiple rows, OK. So multiple rows of data, so each row of data will be for single claim. OK, suppose there are 4 claims are cleared by the bank. Okay, so for claims. Information would be kept in a file and it would be put in a shared location. So what billing center will do? Every night? It would go to that shared location. It will pick up that file, it will check what are the claims. Okay, which are cleared today. Okay, it will fetch that information and it will change the status of those claims as closed in the claim center. Okay, so this is a high level. What my claim reconciliation batch can do. Okay, read the file. Iterate through the claims. Okay, change the status to from draft to completed. Two. Completed. For the claims which are present in the file. Okay, so where this file has came from. This file might have came from the bank, so bank has put the file in some shared directory based on the confirmation they got right. Once they are easily able to success and they are successful to send the money to the claimant right, they will put that information in a file in a shared directory. What Claim Center will do? Just go on a daily basis and check that file. Okay. So here you are using FTP file transfer protocol. We have read about FTP, right? Read the file using FTP. Okay, this is done. Claim reporting batches suppose. It will. It's just a reporting integration. It's like whatever claims has been reported in a single day we need to create. We need to create consolidated data of it in a XML format and we just need to send it to the claim reporting system. Okay, we can call it as name. Okay, name, I will confirm it again. Okay, I will have some real-time claim reporting system. So let's not put the name of the third-party integration, but the name of the batch is claim reporting batch. Okay, so we are just storing the claims information in this third-party system on a daily basis, just for reporting purposes. Telematics, as we already told, right when we send the XML. XML, what would be the kind of integration there? XML. XML can be SOAP and REST anything. It can be SOAP integration or it can be REST integration as well. Are you saying that we will be calling? I mean, we will be posting the data to the reporting, yes. Yes, we will be posting the data to in the XML format using web services. So inside the claim reporting batch, we are calling a web services. Calling a web service, which is published by system. System. Okay, on daily basis we are calling a web service. As a payload? Yes, and consolidating in XML and we are sending it to the reporting system. Okay, name, I will confirm it later. When we are calling. I mean, apart from XML, can we send a JSON? JSON also is possible. Yeah, okay, but mention XML here because I have worked on one of the reporting system. They would because those are legacy systems, right, so they won't be. Accept legacy systems. Mostly they accept XML, so generally. So that's why, because JSON would be accepted by the newer systems mostly, but for insurance, right? These reporting systems are generally legacy systems, so that's why mention XML only. Okay. Okay, so, and telematic payload. XML. Telematics, as we already discussed, right? Telematics can be